Apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
Here the guy will tell you about Indonesia Pavilion. Please listen to the guy.
Welcome to Indonesia Pavilion. We have three sessions here: yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Right now, you are in yesterday area. You are allowed to take picture and video, but please don't touch any display here. There will be explanation about the history of spices from Indonesia to the world, and the voiceover will guide you.
Welcome to Indonesia, the land of diversity and opportunity. Let me take you through a journey of our past, present, and future.
On your left.
Indonesia's yesterday was ahead of its time, where the discovery of the Spice Islands helped spark global trade and made way for our modern civilization.
On your right.
On your right are the variety of spices found across our 17,000 islands, arranged on top of the backdrop of the Sekar Jagat batik motif, a collage of traditional textile representing the diversity of our land, our natural resources, and our people. Spices were one of the most precious commodities of the time, so much so that the value of 1 pound of nutmeg is equal to 7 fat oxen or a European cow. In the Treaty of Breda, the Dutch gave up New Amsterdam, or Manhattan as we know it today, for the tiny island of Rute in Maluku, where the specific spices can only be found. The history of our spices and global trade gave birth to our diverse culture and society today.
The next section is becoming of Indonesia.
Becoming Indonesia. Through the strength of our spices and diverse archipelago, we have become a new civilization. Yet we have an unbreakable link between our past and our future, in our food, our craft, our culture, and our monument.
My friend will guide you to the next section. Thank you.
Apa kabar?
Start from food and culture until the digital economy creative of Indonesia. So we are going to watch one video about it, and please keep moving forward, don't stay behind the lines. The video will be put on this screen right here. So please keep moving forward for your... Thank you, enjoy the video.
Welcome to Indonesia today. Experience the richness of our culinary and culture, and how we are investing in our future through advancing our infrastructure and industries, preserving our precious ecology, developing new exciting tourism destinations, our world-class creative talents, and rising digital economy. Feel the pulse of our nation, from Indonesia to the world.
Thank you for your attention. Enjoy the rest of Indonesia Pavilion. Welcome.
Apa kabar?
지구에 미래는 함께 도전하고 계속 약속합니다.
As part of the global community, this is a promise to the future for the children of Indonesia.
Halo. Apa kabar? Thank you. Yes, this way. Oh.
So now you know what makes Gayo Coffee the best sustainably produced coffee in the world. So next time for coffee, remember Gayo Coffee from Aceh, Indonesia.